Hey, this is Timo from onlinebuilderguy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to edit CSS with the free version of Elementor and the pro version of Elementor. Now let's get started with the free version first. So I have this very simple blog post and I want to style this paragraph with a red background color. Now I know that I'm not going to win any beauty contests by doing that, but let me just do that anyway for the demonstration purposes. So what you need to do first is that you need to add a HTML widget to your page and then just drag it to the design area here. And then you will need to add some CSS to that HTML block. So basically what I'm doing here is that I'm using, actually I took the wrong piece of code, so I'm actually using this HTML code block to enter my custom CSS, which is then applied to this paragraph. So as you can see that I have this gray area here, it means that I have this HTML block, and once it's activated then you can enter your CSS code into that code block. So what happens next is that some way I need to define that this new class is being applied to this paragraph. So how do I do that? Well, let me just activate this paragraph like this, and let me go to advanced, and here I can define the CSS classes, and in my case I'm using the new class named red, so let me just enter that one, and as you can see that you have this ugly looking paragraph on your blog post. So this is basically how you work with CSS in the free version of Elementor. Now let me go back. Let me just activate the pro version, and let's make sure that the pro version is actually active. So let me go back to the dashboard and click edit with Elementor. And to verify that the pro version is actually available for me, all I have to do is that when I find this pro section on the left, it means that the pro version is active on my website. So here what I'm doing is almost the same steps than what I did with the free version, but of course with the pro version of Elementor things are simpler. It's actually easier to do these changes without having to drag any additional widgets onto the design area. So what I will do next is that I basically activate this paragraph area, and when I go to the advanced tab, which is here at the top, and when I click it, so you will basically see custom CSS section here. So what you can do next is that, and when I go to the text edit, so let me just copy and paste a piece of CSS. So all I have to do is to enter some code here, and as you can see that these changes are applied immediately. So working with CSS in the pro version is actually simpler because, like I told you, you don't need to drag any HTML widgets or anything like that to the design area. So I know that this was a very simple demonstration on the CSS capabilities with the free version and with the pro version, but I hope that you get an idea how to work with CSS with the both versions of Elementor. That's all there is for today, and I will get back to you with a new video very soon. Bye bye.